Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'm really excited because I'm going to be talking about how you could start selling on Instagram directly by adding shoppable Instagram posts. So if you're interested in learning how to sell on Instagram, make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. If this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today and don't forget to like this video and show me some love by leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the reason why I'm doing this video, because this was a requested video by many of you guys. You guys wanted to know how you could sell on Instagram and if there are any other alternative than Etsy, but not necessarily like doing an e-commerce platform or Shopify, because that's too advanced for many of you guys. You guys wanted to do something that would be a little bit more basic that you could get started. So I did some research and I wanted to show you this cool company. It's called Ecwid, and it's really, really cool because they let you showcase your products on Instagram and then they let you convert your audience to buyers with shoppable Instagram posts, which is really, really great. So the customer is going to be able to order directly from your Instagram posts without leaving Instagram. So the easier you make it for the customer, the more chances of them buying from you. So the fact that you could start selling on Instagram with like an Instagram store is just amazing. This is how it would look. And ultimately, you will have the photo. Somebody could click on it. It will have like the name of the product, the pricing of the product. They're able to view more of the product. So it'll give them like a short description of what you're selling. And then they'll be able to make an informed decision whether they want to continue and go ahead and buy from you at that given moment. So it's basically 3 simple steps. They tap in for more information. They get the details. And then they go ahead and order from you. I mean, it can't be easier than that. And it's really, really nice to use them because they give you all the tools to be successful. And they give you step by step on how to set everything up. So I'm going to go over some of the requirements that you have to have in order to be able to sell on Instagram. But don't be scared of the requirements. These are just things that Instagram imposes on Ecwid. However, they give you all the tools. They give you step-by-step instructions. So it's very easy to get started. I will leave my affiliate link below the text box in the video, and I will also leave it in the comment section. Make sure that you use that link today. So let's go ahead and talk about a few of the things that you have to know before you start. So your business has to be located in one of their 44 countries that they have approved. So when I give you the link, you could go and I'll give you more details. You're able to check those 44 countries and kind of see if you qualified. Your business must follow Instagram merchant agreement. Your Instagram account has to be a business profile. So even if you don't sign up for this, make sure that you turn your Instagram into a business profile. Your business must primarily sell physical goods. So keep in mind, if you have like digital goods like myself, you don't qualify. And you have to sell physical goods, which means they're tangible items that you are going to be mailing out to someone. And then on top of that, your Instagram account must have the latest version of Instagram app. If you don't know if you have the latest app of Instagram or not, all you have to do is delete the Instagram app from your phone, reload it again, and you have the latest one. So just a tip, just in case. And the last thing is your business profile must be connected to Facebook catalog. So it's very, very straight, simple to use. They give you all the steps that you could do, and you could do this as a second choice as well. So technically you could sell on Etsy, and then you could also sell on Instagram and kind of compare both of them and see which one is driving you more revenue. But it's just a great way to do something different, maybe to add another income stream, right, to your family by using Instagram and selling directly from Instagram. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you leave me any comments you guys have in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.